Good afternoon, welcome to Munley's World Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for July 27th to August 10th. During this forecast, we will have a hot ridge that would be over the west central states, and energy that would be riding over this ridge here in this flow will maintain a trough over the northeast. And the National Hurricane Center continues to monitor a low east of the Florida for tropical development. And we'll get into that right now. We'll take a look at it at the surface. And some of the maps aren't working, so I'll try to do the best I can. Got to slide this over a little bit. Now here we are Saturday, Sunday. There's the low here. It hasn't really developed yet. It's still fairly weak. But convection right now is concentrated here, which you can see to the east and to the south of the center, and this is due to wind shear that's affecting the area, and the shear is forecast to relax some over the next 12 to 24 hours, and this could be enough to allow the convection to develop closer to the center, allowing the storm to organize into a tropical depression or tropical storm. Now we'll take a look at the forecast models. This is one set. A lot of it bring it across Florida. And this somewhere up to the north. Some, but most of it is here across Florida. Then we'll take the next batch. Also across Florida, the majority. And we'll take a look at the other one. This is the GFS ensembles, all bring it across Florida during Sunday night or Monday. Now we'll get back to the forecast here. Now the heat should peak across the northern plains and the Rockies into the northern Great Basin. Highs will exceed may reach or exceed 100 degrees Tuesday and Wednesday. And you can see this is what we have the temperature forecast. 100s here, even down into Texas, above 100. And Monday and Tuesday, you can see still in the low 100s. But even at night, the temperature is this at night? Yeah, still stay fairly warm. Okay, and now energy that will around the western region brings slight cooling to the northern central states. Although temperatures will still be above normal. And we have an upper low off the northwest coast. We'll go back to the surface here. Try here. Off the western coast of Canada, and this should spread moisture to the north and west from the southwest. Some monsoonal moisture will spread into California and the Great Basin, and we'll take a look at that at the surface. And again, some of the maps are out, and this will bring monsoonal moisture here into parts of the Rockies. Okay, we're going to look at the period for August 1st to the 5th. And little overall change forecast on the flow. We still have our ridge here over the west central states, a trough here over the northeast. Miles of good agreement with this. Even the except for the, you can say here for the NAEFS, still has a ridge, but it's weaker. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for much of this region here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 12 degrees or more possible, and this will be mainly across parts of the northern plains and upper Mississippi Valley. And we have below normal temperatures for this region here, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this area here, the plains of Mississippi Valley, northern Rockies, and the West Coast. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And we have above normal precipitation for the Four Corners region, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for August 6th to the 10th. And it appears here, show you this. It appears here, you can see we put it into motion, that the West Central Ridge and the ridge of the Western Atlantic will join forces, merge, and this will cause above normal temperatures for much of the country. Westerlies remain to the north. We still have the European ensemble still has a trough here across the northeast. So I'm calling for this forecast period above normal temperatures across a large majority of the nation, and forecasting anomalies to be about 12 degrees above normal or more. And this would be mainly across the plains, northern Rockies, and the Northwest, near normal elsewhere. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this area here, still the plains, Mississippi Valley, northern Rockies, West Coast, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for the southern Rockies, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for July 27th to August 10th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.